Never outshine your master. This is the day 5 of English speaking challenge, and I yesterday showed you my book called The 48 Law of Power, and in this book I have learned a few law, okay, and I have already read one law that never outshine your master, and in this video I will tell you everything about that law, and I also give you two solutions for that, okay. And uh, first I gratitude to you to support me for this situation, because as you know that earlier I was not able to speak fluent, okay, and nowadays I am able to speak fluent without any hesitation, okay. It's a result of our consistency, hard work and dedication. That's why we have to be consistent and always try to uh, get our success. Don't go away from your goal. Always be a hard worker person, okay. Let me tell you about the few things about this law, okay. First thing is that don't show your smartness in front of your master. If you ever try to show your smartness and you are you are very clever than your master, then on that time your employer and your top manager maybe feel uncomfortable due to your smartness and cleverness, okay. And that's why you don't have to be smart. You have to be smarter. You have to be hard worker. You have to be a consistent person, but you don't have to cry in public in front of your employer. Always try to be the best version of yourself, but don't cry in front of others, okay. And my plan is to do every day I will upload around one law, and it will take around 48 days, okay. And I will always try to upload one video on every day to provide you a knowledge how can we improve us with this book, because I have given a lot of time in this book, and I have also researched on this book that bro, this book can change our life, okay. And this book always tell us ki we if we have to use our power authority in a very concise way, okay. And there are so many other law I also have to tell you, and I will tell you few of the law, these are the few laws that we can read, okay. And I think you should also purchase it. First law I tell you about that, never outshine the master, okay. And I also want to give you the solution of this, okay. And the second law is never put too much trust on your friend. Always you have to make a friend, okay. Always you have to learn how to use your enemies. And the second is conceal your intention, and next thing is always say less than necessary, okay. And the last thing is so much depends on a reputation, guard it with your life, okay. And I have a one and two solution, like a two solution I have for your never outshine your master. Means that the main thing is that you don't have to show off your smartness and cleverness in front of your master, okay. And we have to just read that what should we take reasonable action in front of our master, okay. The first thing is that first you must flatter and puff off your master. It means that always try to give more initiative and more you have to give feeling to your master, then you are so much smarter and clever from others and from me, okay. And if you tell you this thing to your master, then your master may be so much like you, and maybe he will increase your salary. Okay. And the next thing I also have studied that if you have a more creative idea, then if you have more creative idea, then your master ascribe them to him. Okay. Like okay, if you have a more creative idea, then on that time you don't have to uh, bestow your smartness in front of your master that I have this idea, and you so much in front of your master, then maybe your master remove you from your job. Okay. That's why we have to only the learn the things and don't try to cry more and more. Okay. And I also told you that I will upload around 30 days English speaking challenge. Okay. That's why I also have to do so, because in our life there are a lot of challenges we have to suffer. Okay. And I also have a one plan that after this book I will purchase a one book like Atomic Habit, because some person they also told me that uh, you should purchase that book, Atomic Habit. Okay. uh, you ever think that why I am telling these kind of sentences, these kind of activities I am doing for my improvement? Okay. And I only knows that one thing, I have to speak more and more, and whatever the things is going in my mind, I have to only tell that sentence in front of people and you, so that I can improve myself better in future. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, always support me, I will also support you.